We would like to call on here on top of the ring from the House of Representatives Committee on Appropriations, Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a big hand to Congressman Elizalde Co. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to Governor Antonio Tico.
Karong oras pa yan ang patalastas.
Oh, sa iyo na tanan. May nagabi. Ay kaluyang nga natin. May nagabi sa iyo na tanan. This is an international fight. And this is the only in Asia that we have 5 championship belt in one event. Ibig sabihin, sa isang na boxing, buroksing, isang na belt dapat ini 5. And not only for that, this is the first time that our boxing event will held in the lagoon. Amoy ni, kaya di kita. So, these things will not materialize. There will be no pay-per-view, there will be no signal, Plus TV, Channel 7, ABS-CBN, without this very important person. He is the major sponsor of this ATK promotion today. Kung wala sa iya, wala kita niyan. Ang kunhay kita. Daka ang baraydan sinin ade sa ringside, daka 100,000. Hasta pakatulong sa ibaw. Because of this person who made sacrifices para ma-realize, ma-materialize na ini. Tanan. This is a representative of ako Bicol Party List. Kaya, kinabuligan kita ng mga boxing enthusiasts pag-abot man sa panahon